In this video, we're going to show how to change transducers on Mistpac 20s and 30s, Mistfree 10s and 20s, and all of our DT series ultrasonic humidifiers. After you have received your box of transducers, you will open them to find two different parts. You will find the circuit boards, and you will also find the transducers. You have to replace both of these as they are a kit. If you just replace one or just replace the other, they will not last the 8,000 to 10,000 hours of operation. To remove the transducers, you will need a number 8 socket. After you have gained access to the underside of the humidifier, you will see all of the transducers and circuit boards. To remove them, the first thing you will want to do is to disconnect the daisy chain harness. Once you have done that, then you'll want to locate the number 6 kept nuts and remove them. There's going to be 4 in total for each transducer. There will be 2 on the transducer itself and 2 on the circuit board. When taking off the transducer, now you can remove the old transducer and circuit board. Please note, do not lose the cap and O-ring, as these are crucial to a watertight seal. Now you can remove and then replace with the new circuit board and then the new transducer. Now replace the number 6 kept nuts that we removed earlier. And tighten down. After you have tightened down the transducer and circuit board, you will locate the wires coming off of the transducer and plug them on to the left side or the top of the circuit board. The blue wire will go to out 2, the yellow wire will go to out 1. Then replace the daisy chain connection the same way you took it off. After changing all the transducers, it is recommended that you water test the humidifier.